Did you know that sipping green tea not only boosts your metabolism, but also gives your brain a little wake-up call? Studies show it can burn up to an extra 75 to 100 calories a day. And hey, if it's good enough for Adele, who swears by mindful eating and natural remedies in her incredible weight loss journey, it's good enough for us, right? Let me show you what my entire day of eating looks like when I'm focusing on weight loss, health, and feeling my best. So I start my day with a glass of warm water mixed with lemon and a pinch of turmeric. It's like a natural detox for your liver and kidneys, those hard-working organs that keep you running smoothly. Plus, it's an immunity booster, which is a win in today's world, right? Oh, and this isn't just me hyping it up. Even Jennifer Aniston loves starting her day with lemon water. For breakfast, I keep it simple. 2 boiled eggs and a slice of whole grain toast. Eggs are packed with protein, which helps repair your muscles after workouts and keeps you full longer. Also, fun fact, protein can rev up your metabolism by about 15–30%. And don't forget the toast. It gives you that steady energy without a sugar crash. Mid-morning cravings, I grab a small handful of almonds and chia seeds. Did you know chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3s, which are amazing for brain health and reducing inflammation in the body? Trust me, your gut will thank you for this snack. It helps keep digestion on track. A quick stat here, nearly 70% of people worldwide aren't getting enough fiber daily, which can lead to bloating, weight gain, and sluggish energy. Don't let that be you. Lunchtime is where the magic happens. A rainbow salad. I load my plate with spinach, kale, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and grilled chicken for protein. And the dressing? A simple mix of olive oil, lemon juice, and a touch of honey. Here's why this matters. The greens give your body a natural dose of magnesium, which reduces stress. Fun fact, stress can actually make you gain weight by increasing cortisol levels. Oh, and don't skimp on olive oil. It's full of healthy fats that support your heart. Just ask the Mediterraneans. They've been living long, healthy lives for centuries. Afternoons are tricky, right? That's when the chocolate cravings hit. So I blend up a quick smoothie, half a banana, a handful of spinach, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. It's creamy, sweet, and gives me the energy boost I need. Here's a little tip. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps control blood pressure and reduce bloating. A small smoothie like this can also prevent you from grabbing that 3 p.m. candy bar. Dinner is light but satisfying. Baked salmon for omega-3s, steamed broccoli loaded with vitamin C, and quinoa, which is a fantastic plant-based protein. Did you know omega-3s are linked to improved brain health and even weight loss? And broccoli is like a superhero for your liver, helping it detox naturally. I always try to eat my dinner at least 3 hours before bed to give my digestion time to wind down. Here's the thing, weight loss isn't about starving yourself or obsessing over every calorie. It's about nourishing your body with foods that make you feel good, inside and out. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's that consistency is key. If you're feeling inspired to make small changes, hit that like button. And if you want more simple, science-backed tips like this, don't forget to subscribe and join our Fit Factology family. Let's take this health journey together, one meal at a time. You've got this.